I'd like to open the floor up for any questions for Dr. Hugfeldt, and hopefully he can hear those and answer them. So please feel free. Does anyone have any questions for him? Yes, sir.
Could he speak to the effectiveness of the compound as relates to silver?
Certainly. The TheraWorks platform does incorporate a small amount of colloidal silver in with it. That is only a minimal portion of the killing power of the platform itself. The patented technology that's behind this uses the silver in combination with several other completely natural elements, and it's the combination of those and the way that it's structured and built that actually provides the killing power for the organisms. That's important in the long run in that the natural compounds, including the colloidal silver-based platforms, have less chance of producing a resistance down the road, which has certainly been our problem in the medical world. Developing resistance to the superbugs is what's created the superbugs. So using an all-natural platform decreases the risk that would happen with this platform.
You know, I've worked in healthcare and advanced wound care for 20 plus years. Last 10, I've been working with mostly silver-based products. And I had a friend of mine who knew that, and he gave me this product, and he said, "Steve, I know you've been doing a lot of work with silver, and I think this might be a good product for you." And I said, "Well, let me have a look at it." And that's when I'd been working with Dr. Hugfeldt, who'd been looking for some new technologies. And really on a whim, I said, "Hey, what do you think?" And that's when he went and put it in test. So it was, it ended up being a lot bigger than we thought. In the beginning, I wasn't that excited about it, but as we got the results, it's just been amazing. So
this product doesn't need any FDA sort of approval, or?
We have an FDA registration for the product. It is a Category 1 type product as a skin cleanser. In other words, it has to meet all the manufacturing practices of GMP standards. It has to have an FDA registration, and all that is in place through G3 and through Avada.
And I'm currently working on some of the 510K, or what you would call pre-market approvals for this product as we move the platform into some of these more advanced wound care products.
At some point, would the FDA would the FDA approval be required for this product at some point?
It will be when we are ready to actually take it into the burn care market, for example, where we're treating people with serious burns. We're treating people with life-threatening illnesses. We still wouldn't necessarily have to take it through the next step of the FDA, but we believe that's the right thing to do, and that's what we're in the process of doing now.
Are there any further questions from anyone? We'd love to answer.
How much does this cost?
There's two different types of products. There's the personal and professional foam applicator bottles, and there's also products available as towels for sports, athletes, people that are getting ready for a workout, trainers. The large bottle in the 8-ounce size is $49.95, and the small bottle is a 2-ounce size and is $19.95. They are available on the website, www.beatsuperbugs.com. Yes, Robin.
I heard in the hospital that there were staff there that were demanding this product, that they couldn't get it fast enough. Is that true?
We have just really entered the hospital market with it. And actually, our folks came to us looking for the product before we, like you say, before we had it readily available. The process to develop it, get it in the right pouches, get it in a system that's usable within the hospital is a little more time-consuming than it certainly looks like on the outside. So essentially, yes, they've been waiting for us rather than us waiting for them.
Yeah, so people are excited. You know, the healthcare providers, nurses, infection control people are really excited because, you know, they want to be able to help their patients, and this will actually help them do their job and provide them more safety and help them in their own hospital setting. So it's really a blessing and a wonderful pleasure to have shared this with you today. If you have any questions anytime, please feel free to call us at iFan Health Products. We would love to answer your questions, facilitate any further learning about the product. And we thank you for joining us here today. And please learn more. Go to our website, beatsuperbugs.com. And again, thank you for joining us.